Just 1 tablespoon. Clears mucus from throat. Ugh! Are you dealing with that awful stuffy nose? Or maybe that tickle in your throat that just won't go away because of all that mucus? Whether it's from a cold, allergies, or just the change in seasons, that heavy, clogged up feeling is so frustrating, right? But guess what? Today, I'm going to show you how just 1 teaspoon of a natural remedy can help you kick that mucus to the curb and soothe your throat at the same time. You have to see how simple this is, so stick around and let's get started. Are you struggling with a stuffy nose or mucus clogging up your throat? Whether it is due to a cold, allergies, or seasonal changes, that heavy, congested feeling is so frustrating. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you just 1 teaspoon of a natural remedy that can help you clear up that mucus and also soothe your throat at the same time. So stick around to learn this simple recipe that I'm going to share with you today and what is the best way of consuming it. Hi, I'm a board-certified family physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. Mucus buildup is a very common problem. Whether this mucus is present in your lungs, throat, sinuses, or nose, it is very frustrating. A lot of time, over-the-counter medicines do not work. Most people are prescribed heavy doses of antibiotics or steroids to clean up this mucus, but these medicines can be harmful if taken again and again for your gut health, your immunity, and your overall well-being. But the good news is that we have several natural remedies which really work well to clear up this mucus easily. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. This special recipe which can easily be made at home with simple ingredients, but is powerful and very effective in clearing up mucus, soothing your throat, and also improving your cough. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you first the ingredients of this drink and how they are going to help you improve your health. And then, after that, I'm going to share with you exactly how to prepare this drink and consume it. The first ingredient in this list is Manuka honey. Now, you've probably heard of honey, right? It's a go-to for a sore throat. But Manuka honey? That's like honey on a whole other level. You see, all honey is pretty good because it helps with inflammation and has antibacterial stuff in it, so it can fight off any nasty germs you might be dealing with. Plus, it feels so good on a scratchy throat and can even help loosen up that stubborn mucus that's making you miserable. But Manuka honey, it's extra special. Research has shown that it's got the highest amount of those antibacterial powers. And guess what else? It's even got antiviral properties. So, if your mucus is because of a virus or bacteria, Manuka honey can help tackle both. The reason it's so powerful is because it's super high in something called MgO, or methylglyoxal. Studies have shown this stuff has amazing anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So if you can get your hands on some Manuka honey, go for it. If not, try to find some good quality wildflower honey. It'll still give you some great benefits. Okay, next up we have ginger. I like to think of ginger as a total mucus blaster. It's got this awesome compound called gingerols, which is a natural decongestant. What does that mean? It helps to break down that thick, stubborn mucus that's stuck in your throat and sinuses. Ginger helps to loosen it up and thin it out so your body can get rid of it easily. Isn't that great? Okay, next up we have ginger. I like to think of ginger as a total mucus blaster. It's got this awesome compound called gingerols, which is a natural decongestant. What does that mean? It helps to break down that thick, stubborn mucus that's stuck in your throat and sinuses. Ginger helps to loosen it up and thin it out so your body can get rid of it easily. Isn't that great? And guess what? Ginger is also a powerhouse when it comes to fighting inflammation. It can help your body calm down that inflammation quickly, which also helps your immune system do its job and fight off any infection you might be dealing with. So, ginger is definitely a key player in our mucus-busting recipe. Alright, are you ready for our secret ingredient? It's black pepper. Now, you might be thinking black pepper? Really? Yes! Black pepper actually helps to get things moving in your nasal passages. It stimulates the circulation, which can really help clear out that mucus from your nose and sinuses. Plus, it's like a little helper for the other ingredients, making sure your body absorbs the ginger and everything else in our recipe even better. So, don't skip the black pepper. It's important. And finally, our last ingredient is lemon juice. You probably know that lemon juice is packed with vitamin C, right? And vitamin C is a superstar when it comes to boosting your immune system. It's also got those anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties we talked about. Think about it. A lot of the time, mucus builds up because of inflammation from allergies or maybe a viral infection. Lemon with all that vitamin C targets both of those things. That's why it's so helpful for getting rid of that annoying mucus. So there you have it. all the ingredients in our amazing mucus-clearing remedy. You can see how each one plays a special role in helping you breathe easier and feel better. Now, are you ready to learn how to put it all together? Let's get to it. So, there you have it, all the ingredients in our amazing mucus-clearing remedy. You can see how each one plays a special role in helping you breathe easier and feel better. Now, are you ready to learn how to put it all together? Let's get to it. Okay, so there are actually two ways you can use this remedy. You can either take it by the teaspoon, or you can make a warm drink out of it. Let's start with the teaspoon method. If you want to go the teaspoon route, just take 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey. Then, add about 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder to it. If you have fresh ginger, you can use a little bit of the juice instead. Next, add just a tiny pinch of black pepper, and finally squeeze in a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Mix it all up, and there you have it, your powerful 1 teaspoon dose. Now, if you prefer a warm drink, here's how you make it. Warm up 1 cup of water, make sure it's warm, not boiling hot. Then, add about 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or ginger powder. Next, add that pinch of black pepper. Then, squeeze in a few drops of lemon juice. And here's the important part. After you've warmed the water and added everything else, then you stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. You don't want to boil the honey because that can actually destroy some of its good stuff, like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So just stir it in at the end. This warm drink will not only help clear that mucus, but also feel really soothing on your throat. So you've got 2 options, the quick teaspoon or the comforting warm drink. Which one sounds good to you? Scene 2. Best times to take the remedy. So you've got 2 options, the quick teaspoon or the comforting warm drink. Which one sounds good to you? Now, for the best results, you should try to take this remedy twice a day. When's the best time? First thing in the morning. When you wake up, you often have that thick mucus built up in your throat and sinuses. Taking this remedy first thing can help loosen it up and soothe your throat right away. The second time you should take it is right before you go to bed. All that mucus can build up again overnight, making it hard to sleep. Taking this before bedtime can help keep your airways clear so you can get a good night's rest. If you take this remedy consistently for just a few days, you should start to notice a big difference. That mucus should start to go away, you'll be able to breathe easier, and that throat congestion should start to improve. It's pretty amazing how well this simple, natural remedy can work. So there you have it, an easy, natural recipe you can make right at home to help clear out all that annoying mucus, keep your throat feeling good, and your sinuses nice and clear. I really hope you found this video helpful. So there you have it, an easy, natural recipe you can make right at home to help clear out all that annoying mucus, keep your throat feeling good, and your sinuses nice and clear. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more great information in the future. And please share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with mucus. They'll thank you